Hi everyone, this is Peter. Today I want to introduce is the brand new product from Hollyland, which is the Cosmo C1. So we all know that Hollyland have different series. Mars is a cost-effective product, but the range is actually a little bit shorter and also is quite easy to use. But if you are professional and also a broadcast user, so you are looking for the Cosmo, Syscom and the Solidcom system. So what is the difference for this Cosmo C1? First, I think like this is they have three main selling points for this product. First, okay, they have auto shift frequency functions. So what does that mean? So if you're using the Mars or Cosmo, we all know that most of the wireless video transmit, and then you have to set the frequency manually yourself. For example, like I set the TX for channel 1, and also I need to set the TX RX for channel 1. And then for the Mars, and then you can actually set one frequency through one unit. But the fact is, if your frequency that you set is having some interference, so what's happened? So you might need to change to another frequency, and then it will not automatically jump into the next frequency to avoid those interference. But now the C1 can do that. So what it means, once you set the RX or TX into auto, then it will actually search the whole environment and then to find a better frequency, and then when the original frequency gets some interference, it will jump into another frequency which get the better and clear light frequency. So I think this is actually a very good and also a superb functions, because okay, it makes the video signal more solid, and this is actually one of, I think, the main breakthrough for the Hollyland on the technology basis. And then the other thing is, now the receiver can use as a video transmit, and also you can use a USB to connect it to your computer and then to get as a capture card. Oh, fantastic. So what it means for you? For example, like okay, now if you want to do like a shoot on locations, but maybe someone in some area, for maybe even like other country, want to see what's happened in the locations, what you need to do before, and then you might need to have like okay, a wireless video transmit, and then you use SDI or HDMI cable and then connected to a capture card, then USB connected to your computer, then using Facebook, YouTube, Zoom or maybe Google Meet to send the video signal to the audience. But now you can actually take off your capture card, because this is also your capture card. So then you only need to use a USB connected to your computer, then you will have like the video signal come from your transmitter, from your camera, and then to the Zoom or maybe whatever, like maybe social media that you need. So this is actually superb, because then you are actually less, you no need to pay that extra money for the capture card, because now this is your capture card. Okay, so this is the second biggest light selling point for that. And then I think the last biggest selling point for the C1 is, we all know that the previous version for the Cosmo, no matter the 600, 1200 or even 2000, the price is actually quite expensive. He's talking about like maybe 2 or even 3 or 4,000 US dollars. But now, this time, this Cosmo C1, it just only costs $799 US dollars in Hong Kong, in Asia. I know that like in some other country maybe it's a bit more expensive, but it's compared with Hong Kong dollars, it's about like 6,000 something, 6,400 or 300 something. So this is actually very, very cost effective compared with the previous Cosmo series. But then the performance is actually superb, because we have run the test near our office, and then to run the test we all find out that like okay, the video signal is very solid, and then it can actually go to 200 something meters to actually to 300 meters. I will show you where we actually do the test and then how long they are. So Cosmo series is now become a very cost effective, but it's also been very professional for a lot of broadcast professional and also for entry-level user. So if you want to know more about like this Cosmo C1, please visit ANS website, our Facebook and also our YouTube channel.